Let's look at the example of an outline. When I create the skeleton outline for a project, I always like to make some decisions, and the more I can make in the outline, the easier it is for me to write the essay. I always go ahead and add any qualitative research to the outline itself. For this project, I've decided that I'm going to go with the Benedict Cumberbatch collection of images for Hamlet. And because I've chosen this one, they all need to be the same type. Started with a general Google search of images for Hamlet, and then I scrolled through and I decided that I'm going to go with this particular production. And once I've chosen that production, I have all these images to use. And remember, for our purposes, for this essay, I do not need to cite my references. I would for a university course or for a dissertation, but for this essay, for this course, it is fine to use the image that I've located. And what I did is I clicked on this, which brings up this, and I can click See More. Now I have all of these images to use. I could have chosen a different way, but I decided to go with this way. Now, Hamlet's number one motivation is that he is haunted by the ghost of his father. This couldn't be a better image of Hamlet in the process of haunting by his father. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going back over here to my outline. And in this section where I am defining the character and his motivation as the haunted child, I'm going to paste that image in here. Now it's all there and ready for me. I don't like it though. I'm going to crop it because it really is, the reader doesn't need to be stopped by seeing all this extra stuff. So there we go. Now it looks good. And of course I'm going to make sure that it's the same size as this one. I'm going to crop this one a little bit too, because my reader only needs to see what I need the reader to see. I don't need all this extra peripheral. There we go. Lovely. And then this one, same size. Now let's see what else I can find in my images. I'm going to stop there with the images, but you get the point. And now I go through the remainder of the outline, adding as much detail as I can, so that when I come ready to write the rough draft, my outline is already completed with most of the information that I need for the essay.